CCO from Wanrui. Just call me Lovely Lola. We are totally different from the normal traditional factory. Called New Manufacturing can help you win the new retailers channels meeting for the new generation. We focus on household and intelligent home appliance. New lifestyle come with warm emotion. Here, I would like to share with you my dream and my career. In my graduation, I went to a fantastic factory which famous on OEM power. I was responsible for the international department of Japan and Korea market. I met a Japanese company and received a visit from Japanese engineer. I recommended to him an induction cooker. He told me this item was just designed by him 20 years ago. That moment, I looked lost. At the same time, that's when I planted the seeds of my dream. China, our past 30 years development is because of our manufacturing power, but most of the design come from the overseas customers. I have a dream that we can design and develop more stylish new home appliances for all over the world, which make you more comfortable. Over the past 10 years, thanks for the rapid development of e-commerce in China has given us the opportunity. We through online retailer know the voice of the customer, the voice of the market development. Our company was developed from e-commerce. We source home appliance from the traditional factory before and then directly sell this to the customer online, day by day. More and more competitor. Same product in the market always do one thing. As you know, pricing war. We need more creative and competitive products to win the market. So we set up our own center, R&D center, 4 years ago. Based on the requirement of 18 and 19 generation consumer, we need the home appliance not only met our functional requirement, but also lifestyle can show our taste. I have a dream that we can make a new lifestyle. I have a dream that we can make home appliance can be household intelligent and fashionable, not just a product. If a product does not have absolutely competitive advantage, let's say the patent couldn't be attained, we will not start this project. We couldn't make it hot sell by our own brand. We won't recommend it to you at all. We are specializing in the innovative household electric home appliance with internet gym. We are integrate R&D, manufacturing and sales mode. All our products are we got the patent, so we can offer you a competitive product with favorable price. We are young, energetic, and full of confidence of our future. We can not only produce the product well, but also can give you a brand new product design scheme. Look forward to your coming to our live studio then. We will try to treasure every opportunity to meet you. The epidemic has taught us how to live a better life and cherish everything, but it should not affect our business. Let's work together to face the epidemic quick. Wish you and your family full of love, peace, and health. Thank you.
Hello friends, thanks for your time to listen my dream. Just follow me to show you more. I would like to share 3 points of our advantage. I said we are specializing in innovative household electrical appliances. We have integrated R&D, manufacture, and sales mode. We have 2 categories. First one is air treatment, such as mosquito trap, heater, humidifier, UV purifier, and air cooler. And the second one is personal care, such as the hair cooler and something magical. All our products We got the patent with our private mold, not only design patents, but also structure patents. Some very hot sell items even have 2 or 3 step mold. I'm very sure that can help you win the market if you want to devour online or TV shopping. Our factory is KC audit and our product has CE, LOS, KC, CB certification and so on. Next, let me show you on our second advantage, which you will be very happy to know. This is our incoming material inspection warehouse, which for 1 week production will be made stock here. We own our own mold factory, plastic factory, so we can offer you a short lead time and good quality control. The lead time of your first order we can do 20 days, help you faster turnover. By the way, our finished product warehouse located in another location nearby here, showing you our e-commerce. The third point I would like to show you. Come with me to our sample line. We have a 6 production lines. As you can see, we sell our product by ourselves in China mainland, Hong Kong, Taiwan with our own brand. All our product we do provide 1-year warranty. The same for you. That's all. We not only support your products with a good design, but also good quality and effective cost.